Evaluate one whole number 2 divided by 3 minus one whole number 3 divided by 4 divided by 2 whole number 5 divided by 8. This is a question on fractions. We will begin by changing the mixed fractions to improper fractions. The first one is one whole number 2 divided by 3. 3 times 1 will give us 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, and so we will have 5 divided by 3 minus the first one in the bracket is one whole number 3 divided by 4. 3 times 4 will give us 4. 4 plus 3 will give us 7, and so we will have 7 divided by 4 divided by the second one in the bracket is 2 whole number 5 divided by 8. 2 times 8 will give us 16. 16 plus 5 will give us 21, and so we will have 21 divided by 8. And so our fraction is now 5 divided by 3 minus into brackets 7 divided by 4 divided by 21 divided by 8. We will have to solve what is in the bracket first. What is in the bracket is 7 divided by 4 divided by 21 divided by 8. And so what we will do is that we will keep the first one, which is 7 divided by 4, and then we will change the division sign to multiplication. Then after that, we will reciprocate 21 divided by 8. And so we will have 7 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 21. So our fraction is now 5 divided by 3 minus into bracket 7 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 21. 4 will cancel itself 1 and cancel 8 2 times. 7 will cancel itself 1 and cancel 21 3 times. And so you end up having 5 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3. They have the same denominator, and so we can subtract the numerators. We will have 5 minus 2 divided by 3. 5 minus 2 give us 3, and so we will have 3 divided by 3, which is 1.